In the beginning, films and media were seen and not heard. Then came the advent of recorded sound. First, in mono. Mono evolved into stereo, and then into surround sound.
And now, there is DOLBY Atmos at Dogmanic Productions and Recording Studios. Immersive soundscapes produced with no limits. Where emotion lives in every direction, whether the soundscape sets the mood of a scene or captures the full extent.
I have something special for you.
Of nature's fury.
And beauty. This is the future of sound. Let our award-winning team take you there. Please visit us today, and welcome to the world of DOLBY Atmos at Dogmanic Productions and Recording Studios.